Hi there. If you are looking for ways to stop discounting your medical aesthetic treatments, raise your prices, and earn more profits, we definitely recommend packing your bags and coming down to Daytona Beach, Florida. Yes, it's time to generate millions of dollars in your business. As a matter of fact, it's very easy to generate millions of dollars if you have the formula. And the formula I'm talking about is the Millionaires Circle seminar that we are having in Daytona Beach, Florida, coming up next month. I am super excited to be hosting this event to everyone and look forward to seeing you. As a matter of fact, I've done a couple of things to help you. So I did a webinar for you earlier last week to help you discover how you can attract the affluent to your business so you can become more profitable. And that video is available now for you to go and check out. It's definitely a must watch if you want to improve your business. So I encourage you to go to inspirationmanagement.com/Millionaire Circle, and you'll be able to see the page that talks about the seminar and the TMSP system that I'll be going over during this 2-day event. I have to tell you, anybody who has attended this in the past has totally transformed their business, because one of the things I shared in the webinar is that it's very important for you to realize that not all leads are created equally. The people that you get in front of you sometimes may not be affording what you actually offer. That's because you're attracting the wrong consumers. Well, during the seminar, what I'll be focusing on is actually sharing with you how you can target, how you can market, how you can sell, and how you can profit from the affluent consumers. That's our entire focus, the entire 2 days together, is me sharing with you the TMSP system so you can attract the right consumers to your business and be able to offer them those high ticket programs that I just did a Dory talk about. So make sure you go and watch that as well. Now, one of the things we are doing for you is a special offer, which we'll be putting below this video. So make sure you check it out. You don't want to miss out on it, but it's not going to be on for very long. So there is an ending date to it. So I highly recommend you going again to inspirationmanagement.com/the Millionaire Circle so you can learn everything about this amazing event we are having, and that you can actually step into the Millionaire Circle. You can't afford to just generate 1 million, or even 2 million is not enough. I want to help you get into the $3, $4, and $5 million within your practice so you can increase your profit and have the lifestyle that you want, the freedom that you want, and be able to truly enjoy life and prosper from your efforts and your team's effort as well. So I hope to see you in Daytona Beach. Start packing. Reserve your flight, or if you're close enough, you can always drive. The seminar includes lunch every day, and it includes you networking actually with some of our members. Oh, by the way, if you're a member with us here, you get to attend totally free as part of your membership. So make sure you reserve your seat. And if you are not a member, you can actually join us 2 ways. You could either purchase the seminar by itself, or you can actually become a member and then be able to join us. All right, you guys. So I hope to see you at the Millionaire Circle. Until next time, stay inspired. Bye now.